The Tudoccy 10-inch Rainfall Shower Head delivers a broad, even spray that feels luxuriously immersive while still maintaining strong water pressure, even in homes with weaker flow. Its ultra-thin stainless steel construction and corrosion-resistant finish give it a solid, long-lasting feel that resists rust and leaks over time. The included handheld sprayer offers 9 distinct patterns, making it versatile for rinsing hair, bathing children, washing pets, or quickly cleaning the shower walls. An adjustable brass extension arm allows you to fine-tune both height and angle, so users of different statures can position the spray exactly where it is most comfortable. The flexible stainless steel hose, 3-way diverter, and extra wall bracket add practical convenience, letting you switch smoothly between overhead rain and handheld use. Tool-free installation with standard plumbing threads, plus the supplied tape and washers, makes it straightforward for most people to set up this combo in only a few minutes.